One thing lots of teachers may want to do at the beginning of the year is print a class list. So once you are in PowerSchool, you can navigate to your courses here, and you're actually going to do that in PowerTeacher Pro. So as soon as you open your PowerTeacher Pro up, you're going to have an option to print a class list. So now that I'm in my PowerTeacher Pro, I just click on Reports and Student Roster. Here I am able to change the title of my report, so maybe I want to just name this class list, and I can choose what class I want. I can choose multiple at a time, or in this case I'm just going to do the PE10 class for Sean. Layout by student or by section, I'm going to keep by student, and I can choose if I want last name or first name. I'm going to do first name, and then here's where you can add columns. So right now it's going to have a name column, and then if I want to add the gender, or even the grade level. I know I saw grade level here somewhere. Anyways, you can do that, and then there's, oh, I have gender here, so I'm just going to move it up. And you can also add blank columns. So I'm going to add a few. Maybe it's like a checklist that I want to have to show you what that looks like. And then I just say on the bottom, it's a green part here that says Run Report. I click Run Report, and it will download a PDF. So then I open up that PDF, and I'm ready to print. So here I have gender, and then I just left a bunch of blank spaces so that I could maybe do attendance on a clipboard or keep track of a class list here. And that is how you print our class lists.